I'm stuck with the Game Master in the middle of nowhere.
Cuban guy, didn't you just hit 1 million
What are you talking
subscribers on your account?
Why would you take my 1 million subscriber plaque? You know how hard that is to get?
I need you to do something for me, if you want it back.
Hey, yo, mi familia. Right now, I am standing in front of Derek's house, my best friend, because the Game Masters called me and they took my 1 million subscriber plaque, the gold one, and they told me if I wanted to get it back, I had to hand over Derek's laptop because they want something off of there. So, I'm gonna see if I can just borrow Derek's laptop, get it from him without him knowing, so I can get my gold plaque back, and then I will return Derek's laptop. Hold on a second. They're FaceTiming me right now, you guys. Hold on a second. Hello?
Cuban guy, are you ready for that Doomsday date? Somebody's got something very big planned.
What are you talking? What does that mean?
Don't worry about it, Cuban guy. Let's focus on your task at hand. I need that laptop from your friend Derek Diesel.
Okay, well listen, man. I'm in front of Derek's house. I'm gonna go in there and sneak in and let you borrow the laptop,
Good.
but I want my plaque back.
Oh yeah, no problem, Cuban guy. If you do what you're told, you will get your 1 million subscriber plaque back. Just follow the rules. Don't try anything funny.
We're gonna figure out who you guys are and who you're working for.
Ah, well, we're working for you, Cuban guy. Don't you remember you're the Game Master?
Listen, my subscribers are not gonna fall for that. They know that I'm not the Game Master, okay? They know that you set this whole thing up. You want all YouTubers to go against me, but it's not gonna work because my team knows, my familia knows I'm not the Game Master.
Ah, well, Cuban guy, there are bigger minds at work. It's November 3rd, so you better figure it out. Now give me that
Stay away
laptop.
from all my other YouTuber friends. I know that you guys are up to something weird, and I'm gonna find out who you are. But I want my 1 million subscriber plaque right now back.
Okay, let me get that laptop then, Cuban guy, and hurry up.
All right, hello, neighbor. Listen, I'm gonna get my friend's laptop and let you guys take a look at it. But I want it back, and I want my subscriber plaque back.
Sure.
I don't know what's wrong with these people, but we're gonna come in here real quick. Let's hop over the wall, and then see if Derek's there. All right, you guys. I don't see anyone here. I don't know what we're doing. Let's check if Derek's back door's open. It's right here. Let's see if we can just go ahead and sneak into his house and get the laptop. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. He's right there. He's on his phone. You guys, Derek's right there on his phone. Oh my gosh, his girlfriend's right there. How am I gonna get it? There it is right there. Look, look, look. The laptop's right here. Hanging out right there. You guys, I have to get in, and I gotta sneak in and get the laptop without getting caught. That's my mission, and I have to do that so I can get my 1 million subscriber plaque back. And once I do that, I will give Derek back his laptop, and then we'll just be done with all this. Let's see if we can just get into the back. They won't notice us if we get into the back room right here. Look, he left the window open. All right. FaceTime call right now from the elevator Game Master. What is he doing? Why is he calling me right now? Shh, shh, shh. Hello?
Cuban guy, are you in the house? Let's be quiet.
Listen, you want me to get this laptop, but you're making it hard for me because I'm in this house right now and you're calling me.
Oh, well, Cuban guy, I'm a little pressed for time. I need you to get it within 10 minutes or no million subscriber plaque for you. That's right. Get to work.
What? Are you serious? What are you talking about? Do not take my channel down. What are you talking about?
That depends on you,
What is it,
Cuban guy.
Doomsday? Hold on a
Don't
second.
worry about it. Get the laptop.
Okay. No, I'm gonna get it before 10 minutes.
Good.
I got
Good luck.
I'm gonna get it before 10 minutes. You guys, I have to figure out what's going on. I need to get this laptop and get my play button back. I don't want my channel taken down. I'm not exactly sure what they're referring to or what they're talking about. How does November 3rd, Doomsday date, my channel getting taken down? That has nothing to do with me. You guys. Okay, this is perfect. He's going to sleep now. I'm gonna go get the laptop. Come on. Okay, this is perfect. No. Oh, he's right here. No.
Look, why don't you leave my friend alone, okay? I've done some investigating, and I know exactly where you guys are at. I know what you're up to. No. Just leave him alone. It's my best friend.
Who's he talking to?
Just give him his backpack. I understand. No. He put this up. Hello?
You guys, this is crazy. I can't believe they're trying to get Derek to go against me. He went to bed, obviously he went to his room. So here's the laptop right here. So we're just gonna get it. Let's see if we can figure out what's on here. Hold on, you guys. I'm getting a FaceTime right now. They're obviously sleeping. I don't know if I should answer this. Fine, hold on a second. Hey,
Cuban guy.
Stop calling me. I told him to get you the laptop.
Okay, good, Cuban guy. I'm gonna send someone over to pick it up from you.
What are you talking about?
Right there.
Send somebody here right now?
Right now. He's there right now, Cuban guy.
I told you I have everything under the control.
I can't
We're
trust
under 2
you.
minutes yet. Don't take down.
Just hand him the laptop, Cuban guy. Don't make this difficult. He's outside. Right outside the backyard.
Outside?
Yeah.
What? Are you serious? What are you guys doing here? Are you serious?
What?
You brought somebody to the back of Derek's house.
I can't trust you, Cuban guy. I gotta take matters into my own hands.
Okay, I'll hand him the laptop.
Oh, good.
Just relax.
All right.
This is nuts.
Good, hurry
Tell him
up.
to just relax.
What?
I'll get you the laptop. Everything's gonna be fine. Hold on a
Perfect.
second.
Do what you're told, Cuban guy. Or else your channel could be taken down.
Laptop.
Maybe it will anyway.
What? What do you want? What? Oh. Get out of here. Go.
The water's still warm too, babe.
Hand over the laptop now.
Here.
Come on.
I'm on my 1 million subscriber plaque right now. Hold on a second.
Wait.
Hey,
Yes,
where's my plaque at?
Cuban guy.
You got what you wanted.
Listen, you've done good work for us.
Listen, man, I want my million subscriber plaque, alright? I followed the rules you guys wanted, I got it down in 10 minutes, and Hello Neighbor said I would get it back. Your riddle master, whoever you're working for, we had an agreement. I want it back, right now.
Well, Cuban guy, not exactly. Time ran out a long time ago for your channel.
You said 10 minutes.
Maybe you don't know when your time actually started, Cuban guy. Time to go. See you later. Good luck.
Come here.
Your subscribers will not be able to save your channel.
Guys.
They don't know the code.
Greetings Cuban Guy viewers. We are Project Zorgo. Today is November 3rd, the Doomsday date. We have successfully taken over control of Cuban Guy's channel. By the end of today, we will have complete control of YouTube.com. You will only be able to watch the videos we allow you to watch. The only way to stop us is if 1 million people type the special passcode into the YouTube comments section. Welcome to the new YouTube where no videos are allowed unless they have been approved by Project Zorgo. And always remember, Project Zorgo is watching.